Want to know exactly how to track your Amazon profits in real time and never fly blind in your business again? In this video, I'll show you exactly how Seller Toolkit can maximize your profits, and you'll be able to run your business smarter by having an easy way to see exactly where you are in your business 24/7, 365. If you don't know me, I'm Ricky and I've sold over 6.5 million euros on Amazon across Europe and UK. And I'm going to break down exactly what Seller Toolkit is, what it does, and most importantly, how it can help you stay competitive. And by the end of this video, you will see exactly why this has been the go-to profit analysis tool for me and my team for over 2 years now. If you like the sound of that, then make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and keep up to date with everything Amazon. Make sure you stick around to the end, as I'm going to share my own 7-figure account with you and show you all the profit, ROI, margin, etc., and exactly how this works. Sound good? Then let's go. So what is Seller Toolkit? Well, firstly, it's a powerful profit tracking software for Amazon sellers. It's been built by Amazon sellers and it's built for any Amazon marketplace, which is the key for us as we sell in 9 markets. Without STK, we'd be in trouble, to be honest, and still pretty clueless about where we're making money and where we're losing money. So what does it do then? Well, it helps you track your sales, calculate your profit, ROI, margins, and track all your managed inventory. And it even updates any Amazon fee changes automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's be honest, there's always fee changes going on in Amazon, and most sellers have no idea about these hikes and potentially lose money. Whereas we don't have to worry, right? STK does it all for us and much, much more. I'll be honest, before we started using STK, we were doing over €1 million a year and making great money, but we had no clue exactly where we were making and where we were losing. We just knew we were making money overall. Yes, we had our P&L from the accountant, but now we don't do business blindly because we have real-time data on everything. So what are some of the key features of STK? Well, the main feature is the profit tracking. It's going to show you exactly how much you're making after fees, shipping, and cost of goods. The next is your cost of goods. Now you can update your COGS either manually or bulk upload like we do. This keeps everything accurate. Now we have one of our team will bulk update a list of COGS every single day because we've constantly got shipments going in from several different prep centers. And the next is inventory management. Now you can monitor all your inventory, see all the items that are running low, and check all of the Amazon orders on a daily basis. And then you've got reports. Now this offers seriously detailed reports like FBA reconciliation, daily sales report, so you've got everything you need to know and you always know what's happening in your business. And one of the best things about Seller Toolkit is the ability to integrate with other software like SellerAmp and Arbisource. This means you can scan products, manage listings, and track inventory seamlessly across platforms. It's pretty cool. Let me show you a real life example how I use Seller Toolkit in my own Amazon business. Let me walk you through the whole process. Okay, so this is a Seller Toolkit dashboard. Now you've got a real good overview of everything you need here. So this is today. Let's look at the last 7 days. It's going to break down your sales, your profit, the amount of units, and your ROI. 30 days here. And then we can look at also 1 year. Let's quickly look at 1 year. So this is going to put up the last 12 months data. As you see, 1,139,000. Then we've got almost 200K in profit there. So we've got 46% ROI, pretty good number. We like to target 50%, but we're not far off. 27,000 units. So this is your last order here. And then it's going to break down sales by country. If you're selling in multiple countries, that is. FBA fees here. And also this is your profit and loss. This is blurred out for you because it's showing all of our salaries and our VA salaries, etc. So we can't show you that. But down here it's got the sales breakdown. This is your profits per day. It's only showing it over the last couple of months. This is profits every single day. This is, again, sales that are top sellers. Again, that'll be blurred out for you, but this is top sellers here. And inventory by category. So we've got all of our inventory here broken down by FBA, FBM. We don't do much FBM, just a couple of things. It's all mainly FBA. And then we've got inbound units and everything else here. So we've got 72K of stock, and then there's an approximate resale value of 156K there. And then right down the bottom, you've got the expenses statement. So again, this is showing you a detailed breakdown of all of our expenses. So I can't show you that. And then next, we jump onto inventory. So this is going to show you all of your products here. Now showing you a few without COGS. Now these are inbound at the moment. So this morning, one of our team will update all of these COGS. But it's an easy way to check. We can see exactly what's got no COG. So we can check this on a daily basis and make sure these are updated. Otherwise, like I said, that's going to throw out your profitability and you're probably going to make a loss on that product. And you've got a real detailed breakdown here so you can see exactly what you want when you want to. Next, we're going to jump on to replenish. So if you've got any products that are in need of replenishing, And we've got this one here. So we are out of stock now. So we need to replenish this. And we can see over the last 7 days, we've done 13 units. 30 days, we've done 21 units. So we really need to find, as soon as possible, another 21 units of this product so we can send those in and we can keep 30 days worth of stock. That's the ideal. Next, let's jump onto orders. So here we can see all of the latest orders, and this will be blurred out for you, but we can see the ROI, the margins, and if we've got any other units as well. We've got 2 inbound of this. We just sold another one, so we're going to have to restock this unit again if possible. Again, you've got a real good breakdown of everything you want to see, what you've made a loss on, any removals, disposals, etc., any business orders. And then next, we jump onto cost of goods. So here is where you can manually come in and add all of your cost of goods if needed. And then you can also see if you've got any missing cost of goods, you can get those updated as soon as possible. Next, let's jump onto a quick overview of the Repricer. So this, I'm not going to go into full detail. Got a full video coming out on this next week, so make sure you subscribe for that. And you can see we've got a lot of different countries that we've got this repricing in. The great thing is you pay once and you can reprice in all of these different countries. I'll give you a quick glance at the rules. These are the first rules we've got going, and we've got the automation. After 60 days, jumps onto the next after 90 days. So it's pretty cool because it's almost hands off. You set it, you tweak it. Once you got it right, that's pretty much it. You leave it and just review it every couple of months. Next, we jump onto feedback. So feedback here is going to show you any of your negative feedback. And a lot of these are going to be able to be removed because, for example, with this one, like everything's sold FBA. Beware of scammers selling Lego for £29 that usually cost £7. Well, I mean, that's everybody's choice what they're going to pay for a product, right? But it says after purchasing, the product never arrived. So that's obviously all down to Amazon. We need to click on here and it's going to take us to our Amazon page and this feedback. And then we can try and remove it automatically. If not, open a case and see if we can get that feedback removed. Next, we jump onto reports. So this is where we download all of our reports. These are some of the most common ones that we download. So we download our cogs and then we can edit it and then we can upload it again into the section down here. And next we've got FBA reconciliation. So this is going to show us any products that we may be missing. So this is showing missing inventory. So what if we see we're missing one of these units, then when we want to open up a case and see if we can claim back that money. It's a really good feature that literally pays for the subscription. Next, then we come on to upload the cogs. Very simple, just uploading your cogs there. And next is the users. So this is showing all of our team. I can't click on here because it's going to reveal all 9 members of our team. So I won't do that. And then again here, expenses and credits, where you add all of your expenses and any credits you've got. And it gives you a pretty accurate P&L. And then there's in-app purchases and any partner programs that they run also. And up here, you've got your Facebook group. So click on that, go straight to the Facebook group, ask any questions you've got there, and also any support and videos here. And that's it. So that's the overview. So as you see, it's a pretty easy, nice, clean piece of software to use. And it gives you updated information on every single sale as it sells, which is what you need to know in your business if you want to be serious about your business. So let's talk about cost. Now, for me, STK is a clear winner here because the monthly subscription is only £33 a month. This comes in way under most similar softwares. Now, if you want to check out the link below, I've got your 14-day free trial and 30% off your first month. So check it out below. The one great thing STK has, which probably more than pays for your subscription cost, is the reimbursement alerts. Now, when we first signed up for STK, we purchased 18 months of back data so we can compare our past performance before and after using STK. And this revealed that we are owed over €700 of reimbursements, which we claim. And every month we're able to claim way more than our monthly subscription, including the Repricer. If you like this kind of content, hit that like button and show a brother some love. Yep, you heard me right. STK has a Repricer as well. Now, it is a separate subscription, but for only £35 a month. Once you set it up correctly, this is going to make you a lot more money on the upside. This has been a serious game changer for us. Now, we used to pay €320 with our previous Repricer, which did a fraction of what STK can do. And STK also has automation. No more setting those min-max prices manually. Thank you. Honestly, that used to take us hours. We've got over 1,500 active SKUs across 9 marketplaces. So putting those min-max prices was a serious full-time job. If you want to find out more about STK Repricer, then make sure you subscribe, click that bell icon, because the next video, we're doing a deep dive into STK Repricer. Here's a few tips to get the most out of Seller Toolkit. Make sure you input your cogs immediately after sourcing your products to avoid any mistakes. This is why we have one of our team update the cogs after every single shipment into Amazon. This way, there's no chance of getting the sale before before we enter the COGS. Otherwise, your products could sell for a lot less than what they should, especially if you're basing your sales on ROI or margin. Next, make sure you're using the detailed reports so you can do some deeper analysis on your business and sales, and use this for your bookkeeping and tax purposes. We also use this report to break down the profits of each of our product sourcing team. This really helps assess performance, and we also pay appropriate commissions every single month. Now, customer support and user experience on STK, the support team at STK are amazing. You've also got a Facebook group, so it really helps you resolve any issues you've got really quickly. The interface is really user-friendly, it's easy to use, and it really makes it easy at a glance to see exactly where you are in your business. So if you're serious about selling on Amazon and want a tool that gives you full control over your profit, tracking, inventory management, I highly recommend STK. And as you see, for us, this is why we've been using this for over 2 years. Now, don't make the mistake that I did. I waited way too long to start tracking. If you start using it from the beginning or very early on when you start selling, you're going to be way ahead of the game. You'll be knowing exactly what you're winning on, and more importantly, what you're losing on as well. So double down on those winners. So if you're interested in trying out STK, use my link below. You get a 14-day free trial and 30% off your first month. So check it out, no risk. Stay profitable, and I'll see you in the next video.